Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a C# Windows Forms tutorial where we'll explore the fascinating world of data exchange between forms. This skill is crucial for creating dynamic and interactive Windows Forms applications. So, let's get started. Now, let's break down some key elements in our code. In form1.cs, we've defined a static instance of form1 and a text box called form1txt firstname. That static keyword means that there is only one instance of form1 throughout the entire application, and we can access it globally. Here, instance is a global reference to form1, allowing us to access its properties and methods from anywhere in our application. Form1txt firstname is a text box that holds our data and is directly linked to the txt firstname text box on form1. This connection facilitates smooth communication between forms. The change we've made is in making the form1txt firstname text box public. By doing this, we ensure that it can be accessed from other forms, including form2. This adjustment facilitates seamless data transfer between form1 and form2. Here, we're setting the text property of the text box on form2 to the text property of the text box on form1. This ensures that when form2 is created, it initially displays the data from form1. In this event handler, when the button on form2 is clicked, the text property of form1's text box is updated with the text property of form2's text box. This ensures that any changes made in form2 are reflected back in form1. In programming, it's not uncommon to make adjustments on the fly, and this correction enhances the overall functionality of our application. If you're enjoying this breakdown, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to TK Code. If you have questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments section below. Thanks for being with us, and stay tuned for more exciting tutorials on TK Code.